Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and Ira Star featuring Whiskey. Yeah, so they just dropped an amazing song, and it's my kind of bounce. So definitely, I'm gonna do a remake. So without wasting time, guys, let us go right into our DW. So I show you guys what this beat is actually made of. Let's go. If you want this FLP, just be the patron. You're gonna get access to this FLP. Very simple and nice groove. Right? All right, so quickly to the breakdown. It's a very simple one, very simple triple bounce, trust me. So the first one is just this rim shot, the normal rim shot bounce, and this is what it sounds like. Yeah, then the next thing is this shaker, and that's it. That's just the bounce. I think the most difficult thing for in this song is just the bass, because the bass, I think, it was like a live bass that was playing. But yeah, so with this shaker loop. Then the next thing is our kick, and just have a very nice punchy kick. This is from Mastercraft Pack, the MSP Kick 3. Very nice and punchy, and that sounds like this. And the next thing was just this percussion like a conga. So yeah, yeah. Nice. Then the next thing is the bass. So the bass is just what gives it the groove, and I've done a lot of breakdown of this type of beat and show you guys how you could just create some amazing bass lines. So you could go check my previous videos, and you're gonna see how you can just easily create nice groovy bass line. So this in the bass is actually what's giving it the groove. I'm just gonna play what the bass is doing, then I show you the preset I'm using. So yeah, so nice groovy. So all these are like ghost notes, or like a tap on the guitar. You get what I'm trying to do. Yeah, so that's just how we get this feel, and I'm using the trillion bass, and one of my favorite preset on trillion bass is actually the clean Fender mute. Like, I use this a lot. So what I'm doing is just adding my R bass. So without the R bass, we have something. So the R bass, just put it like in a nice pocket, sounds nice. So, and trust me, that's like the whole groove. So with the vocal,
give me that love. If you give me, I don't go let go. Give me, make I feel my sound go. Feelings got me hitting on a freaky dance floor. Make you give me that love. If you give me, I don't go let go. Make you give me, make I feel my sound go. Feelings got me hitting on a freaky dance floor.
Yeah, and for the vocal conversion, I use Audimi. So the link to Audimi is going to be in the description in case you just want to get clean vocals, for your remixes and all. You can trust them. Audimi got you covered. All right, so yeah, that's the groove. Then the next thing was the guitar. I think the guitar was a live guitar, but I just tried as much as possible to create something similar to that using the Ilia Ifemo's guitar, and we have something like this. Yeah, so something like this, close to what was played. So I'm using the TC Ilia FMOS guitar. Just added some reverb on it. Yeah, so together with that group, we have this with the bass. And that was like the whole beat. So this can even just be a beat, because just having the vocal. Let me go to where Whiskey is singing. So just having the vocal.
Get the way your body make me feel excited. Loving you, they put me on the tip of my set. You know one of you, they make me stick to one day. Talk down, then I need you at the dark and you're perfect.
Nice. So even just having just the drums and bass, once you can have a very groovy bass, trust me, you have a bounce. Groovy bass equals to nice bounce. All right, then the next thing, I have was like this is the exact melody from the song. I just needed that ambience, so it blends in with my own guitar. Yeah, then I have this chord, and I'm using chromophone submariner. Yeah, just playing the chords, which is from our 6 to the 3 to the 2, then to the 1. Nice. So that's the same thing. I'm now using Diva. I also use Diva HS Sparkle to just play the same thing, the same chord progression. Yeah, so together with everything. Nice. Then we have this organ that just comes in once in a while, and this is what the organ is playing. I'm using this B4. Yeah, then we have this trumpet, these horns that sounds like this. And I'm using TPS module. So TPS module. So both of them are TPS module, just different versions. So I have this. Yeah, and I think that's all basically like everything that was played, or like the most part of it. That's just what's in the song. Simple and straightforward. You have this drum Nice. So I think that's just everything in the song. Yeah, and that's it for Give Me Love, Ira Star, featuring Whiskey. So trust me, guys, beats you out, they are not actually that difficult. You just don't just overthink the process. Just let your creativity, just flow. Most times hit songs are don't even really have lots of stuff going on, because they just want like the vocalist to be able to shine, to be able to pop out more. So this is just it. I hope you got something from this, and if you want this FLP, you're definitely gonna get it. All you just have to do is be in the Patreon, be in the paid version of the Patreon, and you get access to this FLP and other amazing stuff on the Patreon. So yeah, man, guys, thank you for watching, and if you're to subscribe, kindly just smash that subscribe button, drop a comment for me, and see you guys in the next video.